12 o'clock at night, February the 10th, howling all night long. And we're about like 28 degrees. It echoes through my house, through the garage, right through the kitchen, and right into the living room. My living room window faces this, and it goes right through it. This administration has done nothing. February 10th, ladies and gentlemen, February 10th. This has been going about 2.5 months now. December, January, and February. Non-stop, and nothing from the administration. I don't know how this could be good with a harmonic noise like that where the shit don't break and cause a safety problem. You're gonna have to get the state involved, because there is just absolute no help, no cooperation from this administration. Zero. How many films do I have to keep putting up on YouTube? We're going on 4 minutes of this shit now.